Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that affects us all, heart health. It's often said that you are what you eat, and when it comes to your heart, this couldn't be truer. But beyond just eating healthy, what does a truly heart-healthy diet look like? And what other lifestyle factors play a crucial role? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer roadmap to a healthier heart. Let's start with the foundation, your diet. It's not just about avoiding bad foods, it's about embracing nutrient-dense options that actively support your cardiovascular system. For years, fat was demonized, but we now know that's an oversimplification. There are good fats and there are bad fats. Bad fats are saturated and trans fats. These are the ones we need to limit. These fats are found primarily in animal products like fatty cuts of red meat, poultry skin, full-fat dairy, butter, and many processed foods. They can raise your LDL or bad cholesterol. Trans fats are the absolute worst for your heart, often found in partially hydrogenated oils, which were common in many baked goods, fried foods, and snack items. Many countries have now banned or severely restricted them, but always check food labels for partially hydrogenated oil. They drastically raise LDL and lower HDL. Good fats are unsaturated fats. These are your heart's best friends. Monounsaturated fats are a type of unsaturated fat found in olive oil, avocados, nuts like almonds, cashews, and seeds. They can help lower LDL cholesterol. Polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3s, are the other type of unsaturated fats. These fats are found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and soybean oil. Omega-3s are particularly powerful, reducing inflammation and lowering triglycerides. Now, let's talk about fiber, the unsung hero of heart health. There are two main types of fiber, and both are vital. The first type of fiber is soluble fiber. This type dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance. It helps lower LDL cholesterol by binding to cholesterol particles in your digestive tract and ushering them out of your body. It also helps regulate blood sugar. Examples are oats, barley, apples, citrus fruits, carrots, beans, lentils, peas, and psyllium. The second type of fiber is insoluble fiber. This type doesn't dissolve in water. It adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. While it doesn't directly lower cholesterol, it contributes to overall digestive health, which is linked to heart health. Examples are whole wheat bread, brown rice, nuts, seeds, the skins of fruits and vegetables, for example, apple skin or potato skin. Now, let's demystify cholesterol and triglycerides. Let's discuss terms you'll often see on your blood panel results. Cholesterol isn't inherently bad. Your body needs it to build healthy cells. The problem arises when you have too much of the wrong kind. Cholesterol travels through your blood attached to proteins, forming lipoproteins. LDL, or low-density lipoprotein, is the bad form of cholesterol. LDL carries cholesterol from your liver to cells throughout your body. If there's too much LDL, it can build up in the walls of your arteries, forming plaque. This plaque narrows the arteries and makes them less flexible, leading to atherosclerosis, a major risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. Think of it like sludge building up in a pipe. HDL, or high-density lipoprotein, is the good form of cholesterol. HDL acts like a scavenger, picking up excess cholesterol and returning it to the liver for removal from the body. High levels of HDL are protective against heart disease. Think of it as the cleanup crew for your arteries. VLDL, or very low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, is primarily a carrier of triglycerides, another type of fat, produced in the liver. Like LDL, VLDL contributes to plaque buildup in the arteries. As VLDL delivers its triglycerides to cells, it becomes smaller and denser, eventually turning into LDL cholesterol. Triglycerides are the most common type of fat in your body. They store excess energy from your diet. High triglyceride levels, especially when combined with high LDL and low HDL, can increase your risk of heart disease. Elevated triglycerides are often linked to diets high in refined sugars, processed carbs, and excessive alcohol, as well as obesity and inactivity. When you get your blood tested, here's generally what your doctor is looking for in a healthy adult. Total cholesterol should be less than 200 milligrams per deciliter. LDL cholesterol should be less than 100 milligrams per deciliter. HDL cholesterol should be 60 milligrams per deciliter or higher, which is considered protective. 40 to 59 milligrams per deciliter, which is acceptable. Less than 40 milligrams per deciliter is considered poor. Triglycerides should be less than 150 milligrams per deciliter. So how do we actively improve these numbers through diet and lifestyle? To lower triglycerides and LDL cholesterol, here are 5 strategies to optimize your cholesterol and triglycerides. 1. Reduce refined carbs and sugars. This is huge. Limit sugary drinks, white bread, pastries, and processed snacks. 2. Cut saturated and trans fats. Choose lean proteins, trim fat from meat, opt for low-fat dairy, and avoid fried and processed foods. Increase omega-3s. Eat fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week, or consider flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. 3. Boost your fiber intake, especially soluble fiber from oats, beans, fruits, and vegetables. 4. Limit alcohol. Excessive alcohol intake can significantly raise triglycerides. And 5. Maintain a healthy weight. Losing even a small amount of weight can improve these numbers. To raise HDL, or good cholesterol, here are 4 strategies. 1. Increase monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Incorporate olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds into your diet. 2. Exercise on a regular basis. Both aerobic and resistance training are effective. 3. Quit smoking if you smoke. Smoking significantly lowers HDL. And 4. Drink alcohol in moderation if you drink. Diet is paramount, but it's only one piece of the heart health puzzle. Exercise and sleep are equally critical. Your heart is a muscle, and like any other muscle, it gets stronger with exercise. Aerobic exercise, or cardio, strengthens your heart muscle, improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, increases HDL, helps manage weight, and reduces stress. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week. Examples are brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, and dancing. Resistance training or strength training builds muscle mass, which helps burn more calories even at rest, improves body composition, contributes to better blood sugar control, and can indirectly lower LDL and raise HDL. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week on non-consecutive days. Examples are lifting weights, using resistance bands, body weight exercises such as push-ups and squats. Now, let's talk about sleep. Sleep isn't just about feeling rested, it's a vital repair and maintenance period for your entire body, including your heart. Chronic sleep deprivation, less than 7 hours per night for adults, is linked to an increased risk of high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and inflammation. All risk factors for heart disease. During sleep, your blood pressure naturally dips, giving your heart a much-needed break. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Taking care of your heart doesn't require drastic overnight changes. It's about consistent conscious choices that build up over time. So to summarize our journey to a healthier heart, here are 6 steps. 1. Embrace good fats. Load up on monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats from olive oil, avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. 2. Fiber up. Incorporate plenty of soluble fiber from oats, beans, fruits, and vegetables, and insoluble fiber from whole grains. 3. Watch your carbs. Prioritize complex carbohydrates and drastically cut down on refined sugars and processed carbs. 4. Move your body. Combine regular aerobic exercise with strength training to keep your heart and muscles strong. 5. Prioritize sleep. Ensure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night for optimal repair and recovery. 6. Have regular checkups with your doctor. Remember, small, sustainable changes lead to significant long-term benefits. Your heart works tirelessly for you every single day, so let's give it the love and care it deserves. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness content, and share it with anyone who might benefit. What are your go-to heart-healthy meals or exercises? Let me know in the comments below. Until the next time, live long and live healthy.